Hello, beautiful. It's me. It's naturally Nyajai. Okay, that was terrible. What's up? It's your girl, naturally Nyajai. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for liking, for watching, for subscribing. This is so exciting for me because it's only the beginning and I am so excited for what's ahead. So thank you for joining me on this journey, and stay tuned so I can show you how to slay 2019 with this hairstyle. So after you've washed your hair, you want to lather it with Jamaican Black Castor Oil Moisture Rich Conditioner and oil. As always, comb your hair out good. Guys, this conditioner is amazing, so moisturizing. For this hairstyle, you just want to do individual cornrow braids going straight towards the back. To make it easy, braid in the tip of the old braid with the new braid so that it becomes one braid. For this part, you can either sew it down or bobby pin it down. Unfortunately, I did not have my needle and thread, so I had to use bobby pins. Now for this hairstyle, we are going to use Model Model's Jump You On crochet curls, and I use color 1. To crochet the hair on, put the needle under the braid, put the hair onto the hook, latch the hook so that it's closed, and then pull the needle through the braid. Pull the hair through that loop there, and then tighten it, and you should be good to go. But you want to do this over every braid. The amount of hair you put on each individual cornrow braid determines how thick and full the overall hairstyle will be. And there you have it. This hairstyle is perfect just like you. Thank you so much for watching. Deuces. Psych, I'm back. Now, this is one of those hairstyles that definitely gets better with time, so I am here to give you some maintenance tips. And really, it's just a matter of brushing it, sleeping in a bonnet, but also laying it down with some edge control. You totally do not have to use edge control. Sometimes I do wear it natural without the edge control, but if you're going to work and you want to lay the edges or whatever the case may be, it looks good. So lay the edges. Oh. Now, this hairstyle can get a bit fuzzy, so you want to make sure that you cut out the loose hairs, the hairs that are undefined, the hairs that are just there and have no place or are untamed. Just get them out of there. Get rid of them. And then just pull it through, always, so that you don't have any patches or bunchy curls anywhere. Thank you for watching Naturally Nyajai.